other one.
What we doing today?
We're on the way to pick up that fuel pump. It's 340 from AM for my truck because it's lacking a little fuel. So, and we're for the catfish.
Like catfish.
And that's where we're headed now, Monroe. We got my chauffeur right here.
Again, that movie.
Shit, we in the goddamn
La
Venenosa, boy. This bitch right. I tell you, this motherfucker's it's a parts getter right here. Motherfucker shaped like a bullet too.
Motherfucking bullet, dog.
So shit, we'll give you a little update whenever we get there. Yeah, we picked it up, and y'all need any LS work, hit up my boy Dylan. He do some good shit. He'll get you right, he'll get you fast.
Does he have like an Instagram or like a Facebook?
Yeah, he on Facebook, Decent Performance, search him up. My boy get you right. Cam, LS swaps, nitrous kits, anything built for the LS, he got you. But yeah, here's my pump. We'll give you a little update whenever we back. I'm getting it ready to put on. I gotta take the whole bed off the truck and shit, you know. Ain't too bad, but you know, it's hot.
A little too hot today, dog.
Hot, but
Give y'all another
we'll be back with y'all with an update about what we're doing.
Had to stop real quick, racetrack, get a Red Bull, man, cause fuck, it's hot out here and I'm tired of shit. I'm working my 9 to 5. Are we home, big dog?
We're back. I'm about to show you what it does every time I'm trying to crank this bitch up, or every time I try to take off, like you seen in the previous video when I launched it, trying to do a burnout, the bitch flagged. Here's a little explanation of what I'm talking about. Start. When I put it in drive, the bitch tried to turn off. So, here's our solution. AM 340. You know, it'll help out. Get this bad boy rolling 100. And for future mods, right now it's just a cam. No intake, just tuned. Nothing major. But a bitch rolls though. With that size cam, we require, you know, a little more fuel, because like I said, there's plans of nitrous. But anyway, it's too late in the day to do this.
Gotcha, bitch.
We got to take the whole bed off. We got a hoist, which we're gonna jack it up with. Take it off, roll it over. Just, you know, it makes it easier for us to get access to the pump. We have another video showing you how it's done and how we did it. Anyway, we're about to work on Santos' truck. He got some headlights that we need to install and some little trim pieces like I do have here on my truck. Cause his grill came without them. They're finally in, so that'll be the next thing we do. So,
You ready? I'm ready. Let's do it. We're gonna replace his headlights. We did the cat eye a few days ago. Then we put the bumper on like you guys saw in the last video. I don't know if you guys noticed the headlights. They're dirty as shit on the inside. So this nigga got them headlights in today, no? Sunday. But we're gonna put them in ahorita and we'll see how that goes. Look at that shit.
we see that shit.
That's fucking handy. Oh, I got a hammy in this motherfucker.
Vortec Hammy. Cobra 5.0.
Oh my god, that was a freaking Challenger Cobra 392.
Boy, heard it.
Let's see what you're working with.
I still got some regular ones, you know?
Motherfucker, you sure those ain't the ones off my truck?
Yeah, I think they are. Basically what it really is, this little pin that holds it in. Flip it out, set it aside, don't lose it. And you pull the bitch out. That's why it's a lot easier to work on Chevys. That's literally all it is. Take out the lights, don't damage them. Take out the other light, don't damage it. And that's how you take a headlight off a Chevy.
Órale.
Where you putting the old one?
Chingon.
Simon. Anyway, who got a knife? Vamos a ver, vamos a ver.
You got your little plastics or no?
Yeah, they're right there. I'll put them on already. What you think? Very good or no? No very good.
Oh yeah. Dang, son.
Hey boy, this shit's satisfying as hell. Oh wait, there's more.
So what you got there, champ?
The little the grill moldings. That piece, cause the motherfuckers sent me the goddamn grill without these. I didn't know. So my boy behind the camera told me. Little Kunde.
I'll be there.
Is that how they fucking go? Shit. Just hit it.
Yeah. Better guys. Hold on. Alright, so on these trucks, has a little hole right here on the side, because this has to go over the complete piece here. You just slide it in there. You just bring it over. Not flipping in.
Que me quebraste como.
Oh shit, the little thing fell off. The little thing that clips over there?
Fell down in the thing.
Yeah. These little things ain't holding on very well. Little clips for the grill.
I don't think.
So it ain't much for them to fall out. I'll pop this whole grill up. Now take the whole grill out. Better got some. Take the whole grill out.
Take the whole thing
Yeah.
out?
See how that shit just keeps falling up? Must have been an order from eBay.
Crazy, dog.
You can't pop it off?
Yeah, I got it all.
Alright, bring it out here.
Hiding everywhere. You know? Put some JB Weld on that bitch.
I was just about to say that. Okay, so slide it in here. Well, this way. It comes up, so we gotta figure out what we're gonna do here.
Bend?
Might be able to bend. Just not, don't let them break. Get a little too long. So, I don't know if this is the way you're supposed to do, but it works. So we're going with it.
So it's called DIY.
Yes, sir. You learn as you go. And that's how you put on the little clips and some headlights. And it changes the whole look. Check it out. Just like that.
Oh yeah. Yeah, guys, that's it. That's all we did. We put the lights on, you know. I had to do it. All the other ones were fucking roasted as hell. And my fucking grill was missing the grill pieces. Cause that shit, I didn't know it didn't come with it. Yeah.
You got them in now and that bitch go bad.
Yeah.
So what's, tell the people what's next? What do you plan?
Well, what I'm planning now next is just performance. Cause I mean, I already did the whole front end. So now it's time to perform. Like,
You got any idea what you're gonna do first?
idea, yeah, probably headers probably be the next thing, and then
Supporting mods before you go on.
we'll go from there.
Alright, sounds good. Well guys, that's it for the video. I want to appreciate you guys on the last video giving us a lot of views, a lot of like and baby steps, you know. We're growing. Hope you guys are liking the videos. If you guys see anything that you want us to do, maybe on the trucks, on Catfish, on Shaggy, or on the Venenosa, or on the Juan 50, let us know in the comments and we'll see what we can do, because we still got 9 to 5s and we got to juggle all this. But if we keep growing, the content might get better.
You support us, like, comment, subscribe, and you know, we'll be able to do this more often and build these trucks and
Definitely.
show you how we do it.
Yeah. But yeah, guys, till the next one, you guys stay safe, like, subscribe, and yeah.